Hello, so here we go now. I'm trying to make a currywurst with the Knorr Currywurst sachet, as well as some bratwurst and some Rösti. So it's not Currywurst with pommes, it's with Rösti. And of course we've got the bratwurst somewhere here. It's nice bratwurst. It's good. It's from Edeka. They're from Edeka. They are roast bratwurst. It's a quite general name, and may or may not be using something. I need to cook some to go with the bratwurst, with currywurst, soaked currywurst, chopped up and in the sauce. So this will be the Rösti, crispy Rösti as it says here. This is not frozen, and the Rösti is in the middle, and there. I don't know what that is there. You just pour this out into a pan of hot oil and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, and that's it. So that's what I'm going to do now. So here we are with a pan. Oil. I'm just going to dip the Rösti into it. As we cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Oh, this is going to be okay. Maybe it turns down a bit. Oh. Yeah, that's good. Okay, come back to that later. Now this Rösti is coming on a bit. It's nice and done in one piece, and it's just cooking on a fairly low heat. Of course, the rest before this, one week on. Not really sure it's not too wet. Not too much liquid, otherwise it will fall to pieces. This one certainly does not do that. The recipe is grated potato with an egg, or half an egg is the original recipe. I didn't have to get half an egg, and some breadcrumbs. Now, I need to have to experiment with this and try to dry it out after you've made it. Or perhaps you can get buy some online. So it's very difficult to get any in Britain. Since my chain stopped doing it. It could be about halfway through now, and we'll come back to this later. It's a bit difficult to cook it on both sides, because if you try to move it, it starts to break off. So I'm not sure what to do about this. But the main thing you can't do is don't actually break off. It shouldn't break up like that. So I'm not sure what to do. I'll come back to this in a moment. So I turned it over, but as I did it, it fell to pieces like this. It's no longer in one piece. Trying to get things together a bit, but it has fallen to pieces. Where before it was solid rectangular unit, and that's it. This is what happens a lot with the rest, I'm afraid. Some bit. Especially it's been cooked on this side. Supposed to have to. I'm not sure what it can do with it. Oh dear. Don't tell them to burn the thing on the other side. Actually, I've got another saucepan available, so I may have to use that. Take this off the heat as well. And I use the other saucepan to cook some frying pan to cook some bratwurst. Back to that in a minute. Now I've got some bratwurst which are frying at home. It's going to take several minutes until they're ready. Meanwhile, I've got some of the Rösti here. could be doing nicely, but it's fallen to pieces. I don't know what's happened on the other side. Just going to turn it over and do it the best I can. It's completely fallen to pieces. It's not what I'm trying to avoid. I don't know exactly what's going to be like. When it's finished, I can totally brown frying. I don't know what we can do, but I haven't got a spatula at the moment to press it together. No. I'm just going to come back to this in a minute. Meanwhile, these things here, afterwards are starting to fry, as you can see there. So it's going to be several minutes before they are fried, and that's it. Come back to this in a minute. Now, this rösti has been cooking for a total of about 14 minutes, which is well in excess of 5 to 6 minutes per minute. So, where the instructions, depending on what kind of equipment you're using, may not be accurate, and you have to use your common sense and look at the results, and that's it. But about 5 to 6 minutes is totally pale and acidic looking. And now it actually begins to brown. Most of it begins to brown, but the problem is getting it done all over both sides, and it has fallen to pieces. Very things didn't want to happen. I may as well leave it. No, oh, it's soft, pale. That's not good. Meanwhile, the bratwurst over here coming along, honestly, quite nice looking, isn't it? Yeah, that was browning. And we're just going to turn them over. Make sure it don't get done on one side only. There's that one. That's right. Oh dear. Here we go. Yeah. These bratwurst are from Egypt. They're called hot bratwurst. Popular name. That's bratwurst. I'm not sure exactly what this is. How do you use bratwurst wherever you may find it? This is my point against an Egypt egg. I don't know where I got this from. But bratwurst seems to be much better than a rösti, which is supposed to complement another time. Pale. Four pieces, not very good at all. This is the rösti I'm using for this, so just so you might like to know, it's not that brilliant, unfortunately. Well, I'll come back to that in a couple of minutes to see how things progress. This stuff is, well, here we have back to this again, and you see the situation here, and the bratwurst is about ready, so you're going to have to remove it. Remove them carefully, with no tongs to help me at the moment. Put on some kitchen paper. Some onion. It's not did too well, so I mean, not sure what's going on. I'm just going to turn it off now. Turn it off. this thing here is there's instructions to add 200 mils of water to this, and that's what I'm going to do to make the sauce. But I haven't got anything much to measure this with. So have to be careful and just do it whatever you've got. Okay, this glass I could do about 100 mils, and just chuck this in. Let's see what happens. Oh dear. Oh dear. It seems to be dying down. It's okay. Okay, at the moment. And now let's see what I have to do. Let's see what I have to do. Please come back to this moment after I've read some more instructions. That's what we do. The instructions basically are, I just chuck this in and just cook for about a minute. Let's hold on now. It's a bit difficult. Back to this in a moment. Now this is coming along nicely. My batteries on the phone, battery run down, and so I just have to cut it there and come back to this in a moment. So this is coming along nicely now, and we get to see different time in a minute exactly what is supposed to happen. The whole thing is the hot plant in it. I'm not sure. It's supposed to eat all this. Exactly what's supposed to happen. Really don't know. Just use whatever I've got here. Not all proper equipment. So just taste some of it. It's tasty. It didn't burn the mouth. Hopefully that's going to be okay. In the moment, careful, just see if it comes down. If it's bubbling up, see if it's right done now, that's it. Now this is the Rösti, which is not very good looking. It's not brown, it's hardly brown. It is warm, but that's about it. And not really brown at all. Meanwhile, here is the sauce for the bratwurst, which needs to be chopped up first before it gets poured over it. So we'll come back to this in a moment. Now here is most of the bratwurst all cut up into slices. Now I can pour some of this over it, and just see. And there it goes, and it's got fat in with it. Okay, and just leaving some there for the rest of two or five bratwurst, and see how we get on with this. Show you some more in a minute. So now here we have it. Have some currywurst with some German mustard on the side, which is a nice hot style Balzner Balzner, not well, what the other one, Mittelscharf, and have some the Rösti, which isn't really browned, and with some salt, which is Jodsalz, which means iodized salt, and that's it. Now I'm going to tuck in and tell you what it's like in a minute. So what we have got here is a sauce with no powder and curry powder on it. And it's certainly not like currywurst that you buy in the street. The non-browned Rösti. I haven't had Rösti for ages, but the reason we haven't had it is because it kept falling apart like this. It's not that good. The bratwurst, currywurst is much better than the Rösti. Not too bad so far. So now moving on with this, have had a large part of this now. Got two bratwurst which are not yet cut up and put on a plate, adding sauce on them. The sauce isn't that hot. It's not all that hot. Yeah, it's supposed to be all that hot. It's a bit spicy. We've got some mustard there if you want some more. I think probably could have done with a bit of curry powder Curry powder is widely available in various countries, added to this sauce. It contains cooking oil and this mix from here by Knorr. And the ingredients, I have to read off a list of ingredients to you later on, so I'm just in the middle of doing this. You know, whatever you have with it, you should have some kind of potato with it. You should know beforehand what you're going to be cooking, like chips, hummus, and or rösti or something, and exactly how to cook it and how it's going to come out. This rösti is not very good at all, not very good. Once more, it was the funny rösti from Edeka that I used from this. As for this is a serving suggestion. I don't know exactly what this is, pepperoni or something. Sliced sausage, I don't know. That's it. So I'll come right to this in a couple of minutes. So here is the last of the bratwurst with the currywurst sauce over it. And that's it, and it's not fresh, and it's just going to be same thing as the rest of it, and not quite as good. Add some mustard on the side, and that's it. So there you have it. It's the how to use the Knorr Currywurst sauce. And there you go. This is a serving suggestion. Mine doesn't look like that, but you can do that in that special type of tray if you can get one, and you could have it with chips if you want. And that's it.